Are you someone who feels so lazy and cannot think properly and feeling so dumb? This video is for you. After watching this video and follow these steps, you will feel the absolute power of your brain. Do you know, our brain is a highly complex organ responsible for controlling and coordinating all bodily functions. It consists of billions of neurons that communicate through electrical impulses and chemical signals. Eating well is significant for your brain and body. The brain needs fuel and nourishment to perform tasks at its best. What you eat will significantly affect your mood, memory, and thinking. So whether for an exam, an important meeting, or to stay on top of everything you need to remember, you must ensure you eat the proper and healthy food. Now, there is no single go-to brain food. It's all about eating plenty of nutrient-rich, high-fiber plant foods while cutting out saturated fats, mainly animal fats. Eating plant foods has been linked to better cognitive performance and memory function. So which foods are best for boosting your brain power? Number 1, blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, including flavonoids, which have been shown to improve memory and cognitive function. They may also help delay brain aging and protect the brain from oxidative stress. Number 2, leafy greens. These powerful vegetables are generally rich in vitamin E, folic acid, vitamin K, and beta-carotene, which research suggests may play a role in protecting the brain. Number 3, broccoli. Broccoli is a vegetable in the cruciferous family, which includes cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. These vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals that help improve your memory. Vitamin K helps regulate calcium in your bones and brain and has anti-aging benefits. Number 4, pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a great source of antioxidants, magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper. These nutrients are essential for brain function as they help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. Number 5, nuts. Nuts, such as walnuts, almonds, and cashews, are rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and vitamin E. These nutrients benefit brain health and may help improve cognition and prevent age-related cognitive decline. Number 6, turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin may enhance memory, boost cognitive function, and potentially reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Number 7, clever citrus. Citrus fruits, such as oranges and mandarins, are exceptionally high in flavonoids, nutritional compounds, essential for maintaining cognition and memory. Our brain is God's beautiful creation, a complex and remarkable organ responsible for controlling and coordinating all bodily functions. We must remember to keep it healthy, maintain a balanced diet, stay hydrated, and get regular exercise, which are also crucial for optimal brain health. Remember that brain power is not a fixed attribute and can be developed and improved throughout life by adopting a healthy lifestyle, eating healthy plant food, rich in vitamins and minerals, and nurturing your overall well-being. You can enhance your brain's potential and cognitive abilities. Next time when you feel lazy, dumb, and not very active, remember to eat these vitamin-rich fruits and vegetables that will keep your brain sharp and active, and you can be successful in the job that you do. Have fun, and please subscribe to our channel and click on that ring notification button so you can be notified when we post another exciting video. God bless you.